Hey guys, some of you might recognize this. It's the Trac Jack. It went viral about a year ago, and for whatever reason, it's flying off the shelves again. So if you haven't seen it, I wanted to repost it just to let you see it. Everybody who buys it really likes it. It's a cool idea, and it's a cool product. You should pick one up. Hey, I'm Chris from Tire Supply Network, and we had the viral Trac Jack. Now this is something you've seen 1,000 times, but first off, we got to get the lugs off. Once that's done, we got to get the wheel and tire off, and it's not too bad because gravity's helping us. But this right here, this is what the Trac Jack is going to eliminate. Lining this up, being down on the ground, using your feet to line up those lugs. No pun intended, it's a real pain in the butt. This is where the Trac Jack shines. We roll it underneath, tilt it back, and we can easily remove the wheel. And we can also slide it right back on. Now, I don't know if I mentioned this before, but this is a 35-inch tire. It's big, it's heavy. Now, this is the Trac Jack with the optional rollers. You can see we can get it underneath the tire and wheel, no problem. And it slides out, no problem. But we can spin it to line up the lugs. If you're doing tires without a lift, I really think you need one of these, and you can order yours today from TireSupplyNetwork.com.